What's going on, traders? Welcome to another P&L recap for my 5 funded accounts with Apex. Today is day number 10 since I started using this tracking system, and I've had a very busy day with everything else going on that I have not had the chance to make this recap earlier. It's almost 9 p.m. here now. I'm cooking some dinner, so while that is finishing up, I just want to jump on here and make this update for you guys, so that way I stay consistent with giving you guys the progress with my 5 funded accounts with Apex at this time. This changes. Today was actually the first day for my 5th account. I have 2 accounts on day number 10. I have 2 accounts on day number 5, and then 1 account on day number 1. So that's how it's going. But the way I'm keeping track with this spreadsheet, it does not matter. All that matters is that we calculate how much withdrawable profit I have across all my funded accounts at the time of making this video. So today was another green day, but it was a rough one. It was definitely not an easy start to the day, and I've had some issues. First, I scaled down on my 150K account. So the 150K account now is on day number 10. So it already qualifies for the $2,700 payout, but that's not until till September 1st, which is quite a while away. And I scaled down just to still trade that account, but not take as much risk. So I made 380 on that account versus here, you guys could see yesterday, I've made 852 on that account, and I made 426 on the 50K account. So I took double the size in the 150K versus here, I took the same size as my 50K accounts. Now the second account is a TradeAvate account, and I think I have to reorder the accounts so that way the Quant Tower ones stay together, so I could talk about them because they pretty much copy each other. So let me just show you that I did copy them and they made the same profit, 380 per account. These are 50Ks and this is 150K on Rhythmic using Quant Tower. And then this one is on TradeAvate. So this one was the tough one today. I was actually down 850 or even more. I'm almost 900 after fees on this account, if I'm not mistaken. And I was able to scalp it back to $164 of a loss. So I have a specific trade that I take, which is based on what you guys see here. But today I lost on that trade because, again, trading on multiple accounts with multiple platforms makes it very difficult to execute properly. Basically, I was getting ready with Quant Tower. Then I was entering my stock trades and I placed my orders on TradeAvate and I got filled pre-market. So I got filled when I didn't want to get filled, and then I lost on that trade quite a lot. And then I had to scalp back. So not bad, lucky to scalp back, and now the account is at like 3,100. So do I want to keep trading this account? It's on day number 10 and I could withdraw from it. And with this strategy that I'm using, I could possibly have a big chance of crawling back, even though I would only have about $1,000 worth of drawdown after I take out the 2K. But it would almost be nice to have that guaranteed 2K, since it does become a little bit difficult to execute on TradeAvate for time being. But ended up making some profits, and I was right on this account yesterday as well, and then I made some back. So it's been a little bit iffy, and therefore I'm debating if I should just stop trading this account till I get the payout, but we'll see. And then the other 2 accounts, again, another solid green day on that, and they're going well. And then the new account, day number 1 was a very rough day on that account. I could show you guys that here. So I was down 816 on this account to start because this is the YM trade. So I trade NQ as my primary, and then YM is how I pass this account. So trading YM is my other strategy that I use, and today was the first day it didn't work. Unfortunately, it didn't work, and it was a funded account. So I dug myself into a hole and I lost twice, and it put me down $816. And then eventually I was able to climb back to $75 worth of profit on this account. The great thing is that I always mention that the losses below initial balance are excluded, right? That's the daily P&L per account. So when you go back here, if I lost $850 on this account, I would have put 0 here. Okay, so if I finished the day down, let's say even $200, this would have been not negative 200, but 0, because the balance here is 0. I can't take anything away from this balance. And I am just calculating the cumulative profit I'm able to withdraw from my funded accounts, right? So anything below the initial balance does not matter to me. So if I am down to, let's say, $49,000 worth of balance and the starting balance is 50,000, anything that happens then doesn't matter. So if I would have lost 1,000 today, or let's say 800, which is I was down, and then tomorrow I would have made 500, this still would have said 0. Nothing would have mattered until I climbed back for the profit, and today I made $75. So I actually finished the day up $75 over the $50,000. Okay, so that's why it counts. If I would have finished down 100, still would have been 0. And I hope that makes sense. To me, anything below the initial balance doesn't matter. That's just the risk of what I paid for the account. Okay, versus here, I am risking actual profits I already have. So if I would have lost 1,000 on this, that's $1,000 loss that I have to account for, because it will go into the balances. But now let's update you guys on the day. So the overall day, I've made $1,000 and $1,051 after fees, which is a great day overall. Not what I was looking for. Now the $10,000 week is not going to happen, more than likely, but it's fine. I said yesterday I'm not going to force it, but it would have been nice. But we'll have to save that for another week. And now the total balance for all my accounts is $12,288. So that's an amazing, over 10 days, make $1,200 a day basically. And I started with just 2 accounts. Now I got to 4. Now I got 5 accounts. So this is only going to get bigger. And hopefully we could get this maybe to 25,000 by the withdrawal date, which is September 1st. But again, not forcing anything. We'll see how it goes. The only thing I could withdraw on September 1st would be $10,750 because I have 5 accounts. All 5 accounts will qualify for that September payout if I get over $2,600 worth of profit in each of those accounts. But if I get any new accounts after today, you don't qualify for that first September payout. Okay, so today was the cutoff. You had to start the account today to qualify for 10 days before September 5th. We'll see how it goes. It would be very nice to get a 10K payout, but right now we just have a $47.50 payout guaranteed if we don't trade these 2 accounts, right? But I'm gonna keep trading them. But if I stop trading them, I'll guarantee myself almost a $5,000 payout in September. All right, so that's the balance, and then the starting balance is tomorrow as follows. So $5,700 already on this account, which is amazing. $3,200. So this account has been going up and down, and then $1,658 on these accounts. So we have to make at least $1,000 more on these accounts to get a payout. And then this is just the day number 1 on this account. So overall, a little stressful today, but ended up working out, and I'm happy with that. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.